enti saa nipa na ye man adwuma untimi doubt ne capacity na say enipa na yi ba ne ono no nto sofi ye ma me no kan sofi meboa onto sofi
bi wakase se ba bi ne tuetu
onto sofi da ne ya man contract obi onto ayi sofi eda oni sofi yes so original chairman nti ya man contract some 400 million so sourcing nti onamua o pobi se no contract ni kita obi no nsa no a wo mo pobi atona ma no e kita o nsa no say o ade a yesi ye pen emergency so sourcing no e wo mo nchiremu bebre nye dikan so kan marana so sourcing ne kire say eye session 38 honum to 41 so sourcing ne kire say ade we ya aban epese oye no ye hwehwe mu na no me nko na me wo capacity a metime aye me nko a ebiem so sourcing ne kire say phone ya ye patoi no eye me na ma register phone no as my intellectual property nti ye kwa akopa bi wo ba bia ye nya e de say ye ka kire me say me ma supply mamo ana me ye mamo because ye famachi akwa akopa bia enye yie e de say me ma register as my intellectual property no ye rely on me na me dia ye dey me dia ba so source na se kire no no enti me nko na no wa hoden a metima ye dey aye now the question is say obi a onto selfie da ana shovel da no edia na mo de yes onu nko na betima ye sa area hokwan mo de man oni shovel ana selfie
today they exclusive crowd
exactly and one na corruption in free ba because there are contractors here they have the capacity no matter what the number of projects and the number of 5 projects ebinum woman ebinum hwe omudina wo mo wo capacity ni bro omo so say wo ka chom so mo nkoye adwuma na say adwuma na ya publish no say wo ka so nkoye 6 ya man mako 6 ya he can still do it the contractor can do it ebiso wo ha on top sofida on top savoda oni capacity no ni a man contract so sourcing 400 million because of original chairman and aduma ni kita omo nsa no and omo de nam because when the catcher Saudi aduma ma rango and amarpoma omo ni capacity to do capacity na bro so you can give them 10 contracts etino me wo de aduma ma omo so sourcing na the entire main or many program ne say what capacity say so source no one a emergency and no 1 point and entire year call for so source no 2 men kwana sade no metima provide what you see
yeah
3 adia na ye hwehwe no e nipa ba ko ho pani e benya ye den afiri these are the reasons you can google and read the law who can say the meeting can say na wom enti sanye mamiensa we no contractors ni bi ni chawo kind law na they don't qualify ebinun qualify say adwuma no ye pen emergency obetima provide say adwuma no ye hwe say adwuma na adata na onu nko na betima ye say the yesi pen no o qualify wono na we equipment ya obetima ye aduma no se de esi pe no o qualify ba ne onto sofi ana so ayi sabo da no eye da ye koma no contract na under so sourcing nti eno no so because the corruption woman wona na nya adwen because ne your capacity no me nkoka se on deserve ukoma laji marapoma ana rango ana se bia jo shop wo mo adwuma under so source me I don't care
Yeah.
Anameboa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oma do shop construction adwuma.
Yeah.
Me I don't care.
Yeah.
Oma maripoma adwuma and so nya. Me I don't care. Me nso betima deliver.
More than.
Contractor ya oye swami yi. Oma na adwuma me nso betima deliver anameboa. Rango betima deliver. So what is my problem? But near no kita de na say wa award wa ma no. Na award letter ni kita na o pro time ni atala ma.
O the capacity dey have no be so.
Contractors ni bi no wo ha. O mo de award letter ni nam. Pese o mo to adwuma ma China for GCAP. Na ebi na so aka na mo pe China for atọ no. Agro wo nipa ni.
One change.
One problem ni free.
Because our original chairman said
this project we nyina o ma list here no. I can tell you say Ghana ha. You better put in place 5 contractors. Just 5. And they will do a perfect job for Sajuma we nyina. Just 5.
As your chairman the papi. Because job for the guys so
you are a big push and a big loot. What you say? Sajuma na me won bebrebe nyina no. I can mention 5 contractors in the country. Our munko betimi a execute adwuma no. Ama said the man yesi pen no. Yensa ye dey aka. But ye chichama ayi vigilante boys. Na vigilante boys no kita award letter no. Enam etu omo nsa no na omo nam eton. Omo pe China fo aton ama omo. Eno na ye ka ho asem. Me dia me nim se so ase e wo mranum. Me ni so ase ho problem. Ana contractors ni binum so ye. They have more than what it takes to do to execute the contract. It's a mini problem. But any capacity no. Under what circumstances in Amodi Adwuma ye den? Ema no.
But every president reaction no a solve the problem.
Minia. Mumenya adanko dada do ni ye no. As a president who call rounds. Most of the projects ni be wa cut sword meboa. Ono ankonko cut sword and handing over the project to the contractor.
Yeah.
Nti as a president you are telling me say what to cut. Every crime akọ cut sword of a road contract under the big push. Now we need the methodology and nam so MSA project no cut sword. Not just how did you know what the president is telling the whole nation say Senka 4th estate for amfa sa expose we ama bontia nko nim how the big push contracts were awarded. Then you are not a president. Excuse me.
Odama onai gu abontin.
Anyasa wada ya kwadro. Nyasa wada onai na mume ya kwadro. Yan kache so ya kwadrofo. President asem no kan
one of your flagship programs big push.
Extra kwadro. Extra how our president in taking money serious. Because ban say na president utuka eko kate sword. Road wa aye under big push. Now we nim kwana ye fast award contract no.
The 73 billion fiagukwa.
Oh, and I say me they not the issue involved. Me I have problem with contractors who don't have the capacity. Because contractor wo mo aye dia ma o say o mo ye contractors adwuma no tua o mo nsa no o mo de na mo ton no. Me say adwiri mo ye den e wom. I have problem with wo mo ni capacity aye dia adwuma na ma o mo. So how listen din that is why I'm telling you say you can put together 5 contractors on betimaye perfect work at their mind no. But the president for the president to tell us say wako run to a cut some of this project na mo onim kwana ye fa so e award ye nti afa na wo call for the minister to give already minister na ba bonti abaka say ni nyina ye so source meboa wa ba bonti abaka ba bia ye bu akonta ye parliament
Yeah.
Nti wakobu akonta say ye so sourcing or sign 107.
Yeah.
And emu 81 eye so sourcing. Nti ye 75% member.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a president nim I wrote we be nyina no wako. Na say ya ne to ya or start so akate sort baby. Nti whole president nim e kwana odi aso kobo from ohun say ye so sourcing and say competitive tendering. Hey. And you want some president Kai who Yamunshi. Some president took a Bakumasi Bekati road sword. I hand over the man contractor. No. But the president didn't even say the contract was awarded on sole sourcing or competitive onim.
Since the answer the strategy or the abado there. Who can say now say yeah, masum. But yes,
strategy na me tutu muntokuri. Say the dika dia president here one way the other say ngu na nimase. Gu na nimase say what president. Akọ kate sword. Big push project no. Wakọ kate sword. Na ne president say na bia wakọ kate sword hand over to a contractor. And the president ne ba be ka say sword no kwa kate ye kra on some of the roads no onim say so source and not competitive tender nje say one kasa no is a disgrace. Na we na musu hu no ba ku bi aba chenkuro
emu ye we no boboba
keke
hey another scandal
nse chenkuro
yo
na ne tie no say what 24-hour marketing?
Mate. Yes. Consistency rounds.
Consistency be a 24-hour marketing. Baby a CB 20 million Ghana series. Baby a 18 million. Baby a 30 million.
Like cereal. Marketing.
Marketing. Now him. Ara who say me wom. Strategy or my adopting say. All the 276 24-hour market economy na omuto omusi no ni nyina ye under restricted tendering. Restricted tendering ni say bienu miensa bi mo nko na momra da bi omo na develop that strategy no ye frewa na ya catch say asante mantam ha NDC panyini pa baako a owa ban mo no ko afanum a wono ni chronics na esio ana NDC fo ni bia fa ho abebo mamane 24-hour market na omu sisie no panyini baako owa ban mo no ko afanum 5
ono ko afanum e wo one region na scatter
anopa ya me ba ya be brief me fa ko na meji briefing
I just watch contract for markets enum
ono kwa di num ana muna bam na mo say we da Abronye asombete oya no so ani e babo enyina ani Abronye asombete ati anra ye see airport no say china nopa me ba be ma briefing nti anopa yi menini pa yabo coffee wie ya na o ma me briefing oba na so da brame enko coffee yabo ye enko take coffee kakra ni em fa adwere
but honestly Abronye ni obo yere nyo endra boho to the 16,000 ho kro de ban endra MC asquire MC 90,000 nani sika na de sa no me di no
boho ofie me to connect everything 22,000 Ghana
900
ayo 22,000 omutunu babi omutunu 120,000 24-hour economy